Insurance Restoration Specialist is renowned for its recovery capabilities after disaster strikes. But that's not the only reason you should call us. Our Infection Control Technologies division makes us the ideal resource for preventive maintenance and facility hygiene. We specialize in advanced remediation, sanitation, and disinfection for sensitive environments, such as food processing facilities, clean rooms, pharmaceutical plants, biosafety laboratories, healthcare centers, and other specialized facilities. We utilize the latest tools to fight cross-contamination. Turn to us for special sanitizing services, such as maintaining clean room standards and HVAC optimization, which are very important for quality control and compliance with environmental standards within your industry. The Infection Control Technologies division can even clean and sanitize your facility after infestation issues have been eliminated. By regularly scheduling these types of maintenance services, you're keeping your building and work environment healthier and preventing larger problems down the road. IRS is headquartered in central New Jersey and serves the 5 boroughs of New York City and the Philadelphia, Pennsylvania area. With an IRS Master Services Agreement signed in advance, we can make it easier to maintain high environmental standards within your facility. There's no retainer required. Call now to schedule a maintenance audit.